Welcome guys, the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Gallery app on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this, we have to just open our Photos app, and here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit. Now as you can see right here at the bottom we have edit option that we have to click on. Here we have to click get started, and firstly we can crop and rotate our photo. Here we can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, exposure, highlights, shadows, color temperature, tone, sharpness, brilliance and vignette. We can mark up the photo with some types of pens like brush, pencil, just a straight line, rectangle, circle, or even arrow. We can write something with the text option. Like this. We can just put on some mosaic like pixel, smudge, dots, or blur. We have here some options like beautify, stickers, eraser, or blur. And that's it. Now we can save this photo as a copy. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!